everybody, this is Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and I'm coming with you with our August online 2020 class, and we have chosen to do the Boho Melody product, and everybody had gone ahead and ordered their kit, and we are making card number 4. This is the last card in the series of 4. So what you will get in your kit that I'll be mailing to you is some Whisper white paper that is 8.5 by 5.5 and scored at 4 1/4. And then you'll get another piece of Whisper white that is 4 by 5.5 or 5 1/4. So you will get those 2 pieces in the mail. What you need to do is cut out from your designer series paper is a piece of whatever paper that you want. I chose this one because I don't even know if the camera is going to do it justice, but see all that gold? And I just thought it, with the other stuff that we're going to use from the kit, that this gold one was beautiful. And this piece has to be 3 3/4 by 5. So you will cut that down. Remember, all these dimensions will be on the tutorial paper that I wrote out so that you can cut from your paper stuff that you got in the mail. Some other stuff that we are going to need to pick out is in this kit there is all these different laser type cutouts, and I thought it would be fun to at least do one card with these to give you an idea of how you can use them on your cards. So this time I'm going to pick out a couple different ones. So I'm going to use this one because I think that is a nice big one to use. And then I think I still want to stick with one of these, but I don't think it needs to be the big one now. And I think I kind of like this one. What do you think about that combination? That's what I like. I think I'm going to do that. You guys can choose whatever ones you want. And then we're going to need one of these big flowers. So I'm going to cut out, I'm going to need a big flower. And then from all these labels and stuff, we're going to need this one here. And I just want to show you that if you don't want to have all the gold and you want to use these labels, flip it over and use the other side. You don't have to have all the stuff, but I'm going to use it this time because I want the gold, because I'm doing a bunch of the stuff with the gold. So let's get started with this card. I'll put these things off to the side there that we don't need. Now my tape runner, if you just watched the last one, is starting to run out, but it's not quite there, so I'm going to go with it as much as I can. Me and this tape runner has a love-hate relationship. I watch other people and even customers that use theirs and it glides like no tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But all I can say is I keep trying. As long as I keep trying, we will get there. So then in your kit, you got some of this ribbon. And I'm just kind of, I don't know, about 1.5 inches up maybe is what I picked, and I'm going to flip this over, and I leave about 1/2 inch on each side, and we're going to put some snail there and some there. They've told me all different ways to hold that snail. They said to hold it gentle, hold it up, don't press so hard. I don't know. I just can't seem to get it to the way that they want me to get it. So we will just kind of go with it here. Alright, so now we're going to start putting down our flowers. And I mean, this is going to be a very quick card because Stampin' Up's made it easy for you. This whole bundle just has everything in it. But like I said in the opening video, I am going to try and post other cards using the stamp set and stuff, but in this workshop I wanted to show you what you could do with some stamp stuff, some of the stuff that was in the kit. So I wanted to give you a little bit more of a variety. So I did one a couple weeks ago, like I told you, on a Friday that I used some of the die cuts and stuff. So check that out. So I will be still working with this stamp set a little bit more throughout the month so that you guys can get some more ideas. And I'm sure you're finding tons of ideas out there on the web too. So, alright, so now we're going to do some stamping. And I stamped this in Night of Navy. And so, I love all these blues and stuff. And there's so many other ones out there too that we can pull in other cards. But when we did this, I only chose to use the Night of Navy, the Misty Moonlight, the Crumb Cake, and the Granny Apple, or the Garden Green. So, some of the other ones I do may show you in other colors so that you guys can see some different ways to dress things up. Okay, so I stamped that in there. It says Such Happy News. And I'm only going to cut these a little. The dimensionals. Oops. Oh no, I used my, oh, Bonnie. I used my ribbon scissors. I can't believe I did that. I'm cutting these because I only want like half pieces of the dimensionals. Because I want them down towards the bottom of the card. Or of the greeting, I should say. And then on the upper half of the greeting, I'm going to put some snail, if it'll cooperate with me. And it did. So, I guess I need to peel these off in order for it to work. You could have probably used mini dimensionals here too, so if you have minis, go ahead and use them. I just had these out, so this is just what I used. And then I'm just going to put this right on top of the ribbon and right along there. So it kind of goes just like that. Then I'm going to grab the flower, because I want the flower to go right here. So on the upper half of the flower, I am going to put some dimensionals. And then on the lower half, that's going to be on the, oh, I guess it did. I didn't think it gave me anything, but see, that's the thing, I can't see it. So, maybe that's my problem. Anyways, I am going to be putting I only put the dimensionals on the upper half, and I just put some adhesive on the bottom half, because the upper half is already going to be raised a little bit from all this stuff. And I got that. This card just comes together so quickly. This would be great for like the thank you card, anything. You could change this up and make it bigger with the bigger labels and use the, you know, sorry you're so blue. And you've whipped up a card. I mean, this card is not taking us any time at all. So I'm just saying that you don't have to have, you know, you can whip cards right up. Whoops, see, I knew it was coming to an end. I think I got enough on there. Yeah, I do. Okay. And then I'm going to add this card, but I want to crease this because I didn't crease it beforehand, and it definitely needs a creasing. I don't know what I do with my bone folder, my other one. There. This is so I can really lay it down and it's not flopping around on me. And there should be 1/4 of an inch all the way around this. So that is card number 4. I hope you guys have enjoyed the series on this, and the ones that have joined my online class. I hope that you guys are happy with what you got. The bundle itself is wonderful, and like I said, throughout the month of August, I will try to do some more cards for you all to keep you guys and inspired to use your bundle up in your kit. So thanks everybody. Thanks for joining my online workshop. Thanks for sticking around for me. And if you could just give me the thumbs up, the like, the subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Bye-bye.